Welcome, guys. Welcome in. Good morning. Good morning. How's everybody doing? Hope everything's going good for you this week. Not a financial advisor, not financial advice. Make sure you guys do your research out there, okay? Let's have a quick look at the markets. Kaspa and HBAR both down 4.5%. Fantastic buy-in DCA opportunities. Cardano down 20 to 25 cents. It's a great day to go shopping again, guys. Bitcoin has lost 26,000. It's 25.9. Guys, you know I've been talking about it. Very realistic that we could see another leg down for the asset class before before we work our way back up. We could see 23,000, possibly lower for Bitcoin, right? And if Bitcoin drops down, alts are going to do it too, right? Alts are going to bleed. So just be ready for that. Have your dry powder on the side and, act accordingly, guys. Maddox, yeah, see Maddox down 5%. Good buying opportunity. Taraxi is down 7.5%. Wow, half a cent. Wow. Fantastic opportunities out there right now, guys. I'm so bullish. Jasmy's pretty much even on the day. So yeah, good opportunities this morning, guys. Fantastic to do some morning shopping. Let's get into the news. SEI network, SEI blockchain, is built to scale with the industry. SEI is fast. The question is how fast, and how is that related to the recent public launch? Well, the previous week after the launch, on 16th of August, SEI Network, STPM, successful TX per minute increased to 2,833. That's plus 700%, or that's plus 700 or 34%, with around 4.1 million TX daily. So, guys, you guys know us here. We're super bullish on SEI. We brought SEI Network to you guys about 3 days before it got listed on 4 major exchanges. If you want to get ahead of these projects and get into them ahead of time, you got to subscribe to the channel, guys. A lot of the OGs, a lot of the subscribers make a lot of money on these gems that we drop. 24-hour crypto says, yo, Bricks ran a test on the XRPL proof. Conducting the research right now and putting together a video. This is effing insane. Wow. So we will keep you up to date on that. Bricks running a test on the XRPL. We will bring more to you as that story unfolds. Whether it's true, whether it's not true, we will keep you in the know. Climate Coin. We're often asked why we chose Algorand as the initial blockchain network for Climate Coin's beta testing launch. The answer is simple. Algorand technology provides the scalability, security, and speed that we need to achieve our mission of achieving climate balance. First, Algorand's pure proof of stake consensus mechanism ensures that our transactions are secure and tamper-proof. This is critical for the platform that deals with sensitive environmental data and financial transactions. Second, Algorand's high throughput and fast block confirmation times enable us to process a high volume of transactions quickly and efficiently. Finally, Algorand's commitment to sustainability and energy efficiency aligns with our values as a platform dedicated to combating climate change. By using Algorand, we minimize our carbon footprint and helping to build a more sustainable future. In short, Algorand is the perfect fit for Climate Coin's vision and goals, announcement and details of the beta testing in the pinned tweets. Try it for yourself. So, bullish news on Algo, guys. You know we love Algorand on this channel. You know it. We love it. Algo is going to be a big ROI provider in the next bull run, in my opinion. John Deaton, Big John, the big dog. Even if you hate Ripple and believe XRP is an S coin, if you believe in free market system with a fair level playing field overseen by fair and honest regulator, I don't see how you couldn't be disgusted by the SEC's conduct. You can't stand by or cheer government's misconduct just because it's against someone or some company you dislike. Government intrusion and overreach is a very slippery slope. If you cheer it on today, you might find yourself on the other side of it tomorrow. Exactly. That's why we got to stop all this maximalism and separation and stuff like that, guys. No matter what crypto you're in, we're all in this together, man. We're all in this to make money. When the waters rise, all boats need to float, man. Bitcoin news. Bitmain sold out of the first batch of their $49,800 Kaspa mining rigs. For $49,800 Kaspa mining rigs, and announced that another batch will be available soon. That is an expensive mining rig. Wow. But they are sold out for now, just so that you guys are aware. Steph is crypto. Jasmy will break out against Bitcoin before the end of October 2023. That's his TA opinion. We like Steph is crypto on this channel. We think he's good people, so we'll kind of follow it and see what happens. But he figures Jasmy's going to have a breakout against Bitcoin before the end of October. So let's go. Whale charts breaking. Binance is allegedly selling Bitcoin to support the price of their own token BNB. Yes, I've seen this allegation going around that CZ is selling off Bitcoin, liquidating Bitcoin to prop up the price of BNB coin. BNB lost its $212 support level yesterday, so we'll see what happens with that. Right now, it is, let's have a look over at BNB. Right now, BNB, it's only down 2% on the day. Yeah, it's down to 205 now. This is, like I said, it's lost its $212 support level. So we'll see what happens. See if we'll continue to follow that story as well, guys. See how much truth there is to that. Our crypto talk says Kaspa has broken out of the key resistance level. This could be a 2x move for Kaspa currency. Long and short-term price targets, key support levels. So our crypto talk foresees a 2x in Kaspa's price coming up. I'm not so sure. I think the whole market is still got another leg down, but I digress. We will see what happens. I have to bring you guys all different aspects, all different opinions, right? Not just where I think it's going to go. Dark Defender. It doesn't matter if you believe it or not, you made millions or got wrecked, or you shout out with joy or you're depressed. Without considering any emotions, XRP is moving to its target. I'm sure it will let many suffer at 13 or 30. The majority will be the same. It doesn't matter. So basically what he's saying here is 13 cents or 30 cents is what he meant. So what he's saying here is there could be a lot more suffering. I mean, he thinks we could go as low as between 13 and 30 cents. And if we do, well, guess what? Back up the truck. That's what I'm doing. Back up the truck. Just in. No financial decision today from U.S. Court of Appeals on Grayscale's lawsuit with the SEC over converting its fund to a spot Bitcoin ETF. Still no decision. What do we have here? Insider has confirmed Robinhood to list XRP before the end of Q4 2023. Guys, I used to think that this was super like bullish and stuff, but I mean, right now, the thing is, the state of the market right now, the condition of the market, even if Robinhood announced it tomorrow that they were listed, I mean, we'd get a little pump, but I mean, we're in a sideways action, we're in an accumulation phase, right? We're not going to the moon because Robinhood's going to list it, right? It's awesome and everything, but it's not going to send XRP to $1, $2, $10, whatever, right? So, it's bullish news, but I mean, it's not really a massive catalyst. What do we got? If you hold Kava, Bybit is excited to announce its upcoming listing of Kava on their spot trading platform. Deposits are now open. Grab to share in the $150,000 Kava prize pool. So new listing for Kava. Bullish news there if you are a Kava holder. That's Kava. Brett Hill, breaking news. BIS, known for its partnership with XRP, is set to fully adopt and implement the platform beginning November 2025. So we'll follow that story as well and see how it develops. Yeah, so we'll see. I mean, a lot of time left, right? So we'll see how that story kind of unfolds. In the meantime, we already talked about the BNB coin. Mr. Crypto, BlackRock's plan is to drive down the price of Bitcoin, allowing them to buy it at lower price. Eventually, they will launch the spot Bitcoin ETF, triggering the start of the bull market. I wouldn't be shocked if BlackRock is manipulating the price of Bitcoin so that they can buy it up. That wouldn't surprise me at all. Apparently, there's a BlackRock wallet. Apparently, they've purchased like $3 billion worth or something like that of Bitcoin. But we'll do that story later on today. Here we go from Circle, ushering in the next chapter for USDC. 5 years ago, we came together to jointly launch USDC with the idea that stablecoins could become a critical building block to creating a new financial system. Since then, stablecoins have proven to be a critical element of the crypto economy, enabling users around the world to easily access the US dollar and other currencies with the benefits of crypto. A fast, reliable, secure, and programmable exchange of value. USDC has an essential role in serving the public interest when it comes to updating the financial system. Having established itself as one of the most widely adopted and trusted digital dollars, USDC has enabled millions of users around the world with the ability to quickly access access and move money at scale. USDC has grown from an idea to the second largest stablecoin in the world. The objective of stablecoins is to be usable 24/7, widely available, stable, and backed one-to-one with transparent and safe reserves. USDC is designed with these principles, and today we're pleased to announce the next chapter in our work together. This chapter speaks to our joint belief in the imminent and long-term impact of stablecoins, and in particular unlocking the next phase of utility for USDC. Growing the ecosystem, launching USDC on 6 new blockchains. Blockchain innovation has continued at a rapid pace with breakthroughs in speed, security, and scalability. USDC will be launching on 6 new blockchains between September and October, bridging multi-chain access to USDC up to 15 to continue accelerating USDC momentum with developers around the world. Support for new chains allows USDC to better serve a growing number of businesses, applications, and developer communities who are choosing USDC as the on-chain dollar. The next chapter for USDC governance. Circle and Coinbase, the founding companies behind Center Consortium, a jointly managed self-governance consortium for USDC, have agreed that with growing regulatory clarity for stablecoins in the US and around the world, the requirement of a separate governance body like Center is no longer needed. Center will no longer exist as a standalone entity, and Circle will remain as the user of USDC, bringing any Center governance and operations responsibilities in-house. The new structure will streamline the operations and governance and enhancing the direct accountability of Circle as the issuer, including holding all the smart contract keys, complying with the regulations and governance of reserves, and enabling USDC on new blockchains. Building together. As part of this next chapter, Coinbase and Circle have reached new agreement reflecting Coinbase's belief in the fundamental importance of stablecoins to the broader crypto economy. Coinbase is taking an equity stake in Circle. This means that Coinbase and Circle will now have even greater strategic and economic alignment on the future of the financial system. Coinbase is committed to the long-term success of the stablecoin ecosystem and USDC specifically. Coinbase and Circle will continue to generate revenue from USDC reserves, interest income under the parties' new arrangement. This revenue will continue to be shared based on the amount of USDC held on each of the platforms, and additionally, we will now equally share in the interest incoming generated from the broader distribution and usage of USDC. We believe that stablecoins can advance the real-world utility of crypto and help make the global financial system more open and inclusive. Together, we look forward to unlocking additional value by growing the USDC ecosystem, circulation, and global adoption. So, more to come for the Circle Coinbase partnership. Very bullish news, I think, moving forward. We need reliability in stablecoins, and so we'll see what happens moving forward. But you guys are officially up to date on the news this morning. Make sure you smash that like and subscribe to the channel. Comment down below. Let me know your guys' thoughts. Do not miss the live stream this evening, guys. We've been on a roll lately. It's been like 2 hours a night lately, but we have a lot of fun. So make sure that you're there between 7 and 8 o'clock Central, and I will see you guys tonight.